Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making a one-pot meal for you and your kids. So I have some frankfurters frying here with some onion, green pepper, a scallion, and then I'm going to be frying this up for a bit so that the sausage can get a little crispy. And then I'm going to be going ahead and adding some black pepper to the pot because I like my actual sausages to be seasoned before I add the rest of the ingredients. So adding some black pepper, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add some additional seasoning. We have some Maggi chicken seasoning because the sausages are chicken, so of course. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add some Goya adobo all-purpose seasoning. This is a really good seasoning. It's very light, but it gives the meals a lot of flavor. After that, I'm going to go in with just a tad bit of the Maggi all-purpose seasoning. This is a very strong seasoning, so you don't want to use a lot of it because the taste can be a little overpowering. And yes, I see some of the seasoning on the spoon, but by the end of the dish, that would all come off because we're going to have a pot full of food. Now that my sausages are cooked, I'm adding some baked beans. If you're in America, you can try the Bush's baked beans with brown sugar or the one with bacon. It's absolutely delicious. I really enjoyed using those products whenever I was in America. So we added our baked beans. I'm going to give that a light stir so that the seasoning from the sausage can kind of mix into the baked beans. And in addition to that, the baked beans can be cooked a little bit. Even though I know it's ready to eat, I just always like to cook my food a little bit longer. Now it's time to go in with the barbecue sauce. So I have this huge bottle of barbecue sauce that I got at Price Mart. It's a very strong barbecue sauce, so I'm not going to add a lot. I'm actually going to add more ketchup than barbecue sauce. So I added that amount of barbecue sauce. Now I'm gonna add some ketchup. I actually added a lot more ketchup after I finished cooking the dish because my stepson, he really likes ketchup, so I ended up adding a lot more than you're seeing here in this video. But we added the ketchup, we added the barbecue sauce. I'm gonna just give everything a quick stir because after we've seasoned our baked bean and sausage, now we're going to go ahead and add the pasta to the dish. I had some pasta cooking in the next pot and I'm gonna be adding it here. So this is what it's looking like. I cooked my pasta in some salt and parsley, which is what you're seeing at the sides of the pot, so no need to worry, the pot is clean. But here's a quick tip: if you want your pasta to stop cooking when you're ready to, you can drain the hot water off and add some cold water so that the cooking process stops, and then you can drain off your water after that and just put it aside. Once you have your pasta in the warm water, even though you turn the fire off, it's going to be cooking just the same. So I added my pasta to the dish here, and I'm going to be incorporating everything together. It looks so delicious. It's a pity I actually couldn't play the sounds for this video because my stepson was being extremely excited, which means he was kind of being a little noisy. He was like, ketchup, ketchup. So I'm just gonna mix everything together. And then we're going to basically keep doing this until everything is evenly incorporated. So because I added more ingredients to the pot, I did add just a little bit more of additional seasoning. I added some parsley, some black pepper, some Goya all-purpose, because whatever seasonings I added, I have way more food than that now, so it's gonna be a little bit fresh. So I did add some extra seasoning. Now what I'm about to do here, I'm actually gonna add a whole scotch bonnet pepper, but please guys, bear in mind, if the pepper is cut or open, you're gonna have spicy food. If you don't want spicy food, please use a whole pepper like what I'm doing here, and ensure that you're not chopping up the pepper while you're stirring. the pot, so I added this just to give a little spice. So the meal wasn't spicy, but it does give the meal a little zing. So this is how it's looking at the end. I added some fresh parsley at the top just for decorations and color. It looks so delicious, guys, and trust me, it tasted delicious as well. I know a lot of you guys have been working from home, and I know a lot of you guys have your kids around you way more than usual. And even if you don't and they still have to go to school, this is a great meal to prep in the morning. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next cooking video. Take care, guys. Goodbye.